Let's paint some tulips on this mystical background in under 15 minutes. Hello everybody, welcome back to Monique Arts channel. And today is day 5 on our 30 days 30 blooms journey, and we're gonna add some tulips on it. This is one of the easiest and most elegant flower, and it can be painted in just under few minutes. As you can see, I'm prepping my greens, blues, yellows and whites for this interesting background. So I have taken these colors and dabbed them across the sheet of paper in various places, keeping the yellows and whites together and greens and blues around them. Then I forgot to click the record button. So let me quickly recreate the same technique on a smaller sheet. By dabbing yellows and whites in the center and then going around with greens and blue, we dab these paints and then mix them around. That is, let's blend the blues into the greens first, then slowly work your way into the yellows and finally soften everything with the white. Do not overblend. Leaving a little texture gives the background much more character and makes the flowers stand out very beautifully. Once the background is dry, it's time to draw the tulips. Tulips are wonderfully simple to paint. Let's take some orange and red paint onto our palette. And using a round brush, let's start painting these flowers. Dip the entire brush in orange and load it with the red just at the tip of the brush. Each bloom is made with just a couple of curved strokes that meet in a soft U shape. The important thing here is to keep the tops also rounded than pointed. Think of the flower as a little cup instead of a V. Repeat this to create few blooms, varying their height and direction, and you can also make them 3 petals. If you are creating like a bookmark, you can also just keep it to 2 tulips and keep the composition very simple, just as shown. Now let's connect them with the stems. Using a darker green, paint long graceful stems leading down from each flower. Then let's add few tall leaves. I'm mixing dark green with a little black to create deeper tones that contrast nicely against the beautiful background. One thing I really enjoy about this painting is how balanced it feels. The background has its own personality, while the tulips remain simple, bold, and also very elegant. Sometimes you don't need a lot of details to create something this beautiful. And exactly, that's what I love about tulips. Just like that, with simple shapes and few brush strokes, we have this beautiful result. Let's go ahead and place this beautiful painting on our wall. Another bloom added, another square filled. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue filling this wall one flower at a time.